Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C75 5G with Lily-inspired design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.97% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 264 ppi. Pixel density, 625 nits maximum high brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with armor shell glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera setup on the rear that includes 32 megapixel 27mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8. For selfies, it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of RAM, with up to 12 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.22 by 7.94 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams, and the color options, lily white, purple blossom, midnight lily colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes hybrid dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, with mono speakers 300% ultra volume mode support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust and water resistant, and military-grade shock resistance support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C75 5G has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme C75 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.